Yeah, what's going on? It's the Saturday sound check. DJ Shug and DJ Petey. We about to get it in one time. Petey got to take his gloves off. Check it out. Saturday sound check. Right here, DJ Shug, DJ Petey. The stream, you can stream anywhere. We doing it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube and Twitter. So tell a friend. Yeah. Come on, Petey, let's get it, baby. Fat Boy Fresh, what's happening, man? Precious P, what's going on? When you coming back to the Bay, girl? Yeah, soon. That's what you said last time I talked to you. Yeah, we about to take off, y'all. Saturday sound check. Live from the man cave. What's going on, Murph? Hey, bro, next time you come up, man, I just got a brand new hookah. You gonna have to come over to the house and fuck with me. I kick it for my niggas in the ghetto and all my homies in the federal. Lock up behind the wall, set the shop up. They beat the block up, but yet and still they couldn't stop us. Damn, it feels good to be a gangster back at it. Cause I'm the last in the world, goddamn it. Every song you talking to afford it, they got the best ride. For the power of the PU, SSY. For the power of the PU, SSY. That's why niggas get their hair cut, try to dress fly. Every baller that can afford it, he cop the best ride. For the power of the PU, SSY. I knew this girl, we call her Sweet Cooch Brown. Hands down, mommy had the bombest pussy in town. One dip in the girl pool, that's all it took. One sample of the snapper and your ass is whooped. Had you buying Gucci sandals, matching pocketbooks. Blowing up a beeper, ringing the phone off the hook. Ball players spent money, rappers they spent time. All the while, both claiming that they never spent a dime. Business guys, she was victimized. Have them paying rent on condos in a Miami high-rise. They asked her, who pussy's this? Looking right in her eyes. She said, this pussy's yours, daddy. Tell them nothing but lies. Ha, they didn't believe it, but they wanted to, needed to. She had the type of body that you didn't want, leaving you. So they ignored all her flirting ways and put a ring on her finger. I'm like, hurt.
The things that'll make you laugh can be the same things that make you cry. Those things that'll make you tell the truth.
is? Look who that is.
Double A flick.
1800. Look, Cuban on my wrist, Cuban on my neck. Your girl on X, money talk, she on the phone now. We having phone sets, never ducking from you, peon. I ain't full yet, kept it real since the begun. I ain't told yet, I done finally got my muscle up. You know I'm gon' flex, people rooting for the hustler. I think I'm on next, at your neck, I don't get tired. I ain't gon' rest, you gotta play your cards right, them jack boys on deck. I gotta keep the fan on, you know them girls gon' sweat. I'm tryna put my man on, but he ain't came home yet. Kodak black, but my whole red. She get her own bread. I hit your girl with the pole, now she walking bowleg. Dirty drink, this that pro meth, ain't sipping more wet. I'm just trying to stay focused, ain't trying to go fat. You turn cold when the heat on, I know you gon' melt. I be smoking broccoli, they say it's good for good.
She got a thing for Chanel vintage that dropped before she could speak English. Do you love me or love seeking attention? I mean, which one is it? You keep calling me a twin, but twins ain't this different. Mentally, I'm already on next year. That's some 2020 clear vision. You saying let you finish, I ain't trying to hear it. I'm off of spiritual lifting, but I don't fly spirit. I'm off of finding happiness, but down to die serious. All smiles, Kevin Durant trials. Had to blow it on the court, I must have blew a milli. I'm walking on all charges, that's my Achilles. Know they love to rock check, but who don't do it really, really?
All rats got a die though. In New York, Quiet Studios getting high though. Off that sour diesel and that hydro. This nigga take a L every time he go viral. Welcome to the West, and this ain't the life of Pablo. Stay on that bullshit, it's gon' start to feel like Chicago. Keep it 100, you Nicki Minaj sideshow. Still chasing dreams, I make dreams.
Hell, dog, I meet bitches, discreet bitches, street bitches, slash, Cocoa Puff, sweet bitches. Make you wanna eat bitches, but not me. Y'all niggas eat off the plate all you want, but not D. I fucks with these hoes from a distance. The instant they start to catch feelings, I start to stealing they shit. Then I'm out just like a thief in the night. I sink my teeth in the bite. You thinking life, I'm thinking more like what's up tonight. Come on, ma, you know I got a wife. And even though that pussy tight, I'm not gonna jeopardize my life. So what is it you want from a nigga? I gave you, you gave me. Bitch, I blazed you, you blazed me. Nothing more, nothing less. But you at my door, willing to confess that it's the best you ever test. Better than all the rest. I'm like, alright, girlfriend, hold up. I gave you what you gave me, boo.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking raw, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these homies Biggie got.
Like we always do with this time, I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands. Like we always do with this time, I go for mine, I got to shine. Like we always do with this time, I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. Go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down.
Like we we always do it this time. I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down. Hey,
Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dawg. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dawg. Who you say you was? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dawg. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dawg. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dawg. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dawg. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall, and you think it's the ball, and a bunch of niggas need you to go.
Step up out the club with a dizzy head. I got 2 chicks, both got dizzy legs. I'm about to double up. You know I'm about to double up. Hop off in that phantom with the dough suicide. I got a freak in the front and a freak in the back. I'm about to double up. And you know I'm about to double up. Double up.
Give me all the chicken heads from Pasadena to Medina. Bet big, get in between you, then see the prognosis.
Tony Stacks, what's going on, baby? Thanks for checking in with us.
Biggest fitting to hurt. What's under that skirt? Who filling them with octane? Got them gassed up, about to get blasted up, son. The last one was the mother, brother miss him. I seen it when he kissed him at the wake, made his body shake. The high guy in 850 eyes, smoke tint, rap terror, full chrome and terror. Street five by the rivers, the fifth is conspicuous. Bad boy slipped in 95, ridiculous. My rap lines is like landmines. One step, kaboom, black suit fill the room. So who the baby serve, shoot him out against the click. Act up, I have my honey turn.
Nigga, understand, West Coast son of Sam, drumming with 100 bands. Cause that ain't shit to a real crip, cuz you swallow every clip before a nigga slip, cuz LBC, yeah, we get slow. 213, rest in peace, Nate. It's real in the field, keep your cleats laced. Crack a bitch, hit the switch and make the back scrape down. Smoke a pound when I move around, yeah. The world is my lounge chair. Real sharks turn guppies, y'all drown here. When every day to me is New Year's Eve, Swizzy the countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Snoop Dogg. Now I'm back getting another bag. Clocking the grip, never gon' slip. I put the R in crib. C's up, G's up, B's up, all. He's up, we's up, East up. Get a real woman, don't trust these two. And when you're around the cops, don't say 3 much. It gets cold for a winter in the winter. For a rich grip chicken gift, big dog. Pick of the litter, stop drinking cause my liver act up and I'll bring back the savage like a river.
Driven in plus cars, it's like it's a rap star. It's nothing without God. Was born rough and rugged. I'm dressing the man public. My attitude was fuck it. These motherfuckers love it to be a soldier. Must maintain composure at ease. Don't like to complicate. Only what you make it to be. And my ambitions as a rider. That's why she got go up inside.
Funny to see a ghetto so classy. Enchanted by women who speak nasty. Tiptoeing the courtroom there for the past week. Leaning on my lawyer, pinky looking glassy. Charges dropped, these plaintiffs just wanna tax me. Secret Service wanna see me driving taxis. Hug my attorney and then we do the money dance. Whitey Bulger or a soldier leaving Vietnam. Pledge allegiance to the flag. Where we keep it 100 to get your money back. Pull a plug, brain dead. Noodle faking, so we bought the real with us. Repertoire, hustle such a tenacity. High road
bipolar, bet it's another masterpiece. More Rakim than maybe Master P. Thirsty, paid in full, I'm trying to buy the beach. Caution, I approach it with a business mind. It's like two-step as I check the time. Rub my hands with my palms itch.
Everybody get your roll on.
Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. What? Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. What? Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. What? Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. What?
I put in work after hour. Concert, big sticks, we slang, free, bro. Do your thing, Ben. Bets, Hummers, Jets, Rolex, mobile sex, television, head rest, 20 inches, nothing less. Every day, ice out, shorty, play, lights out, period, fresh, comma, your wife is my baby mama, goddamn mother, woo, she's a good, what the, hold on, everybody, get your roll on.
Guess who's possessed? Still smell the blow on my clothes like Krispy Kreme. I was cooking the moles. Like horseshoes, I was tossing the moles. Time to re-up, gotta recycle the flow. I'm emotional, I hug the block. Ayy, I'm so emotional, I love my Glock. Chance rules everything around me, so what's realer? About the thriller, call me a ghost face killer. It's kinda hard to be drug-free when Georgia Power won't give a nigga lights free. Switch hustles been killing them ever since. You hate to tell the truth, dog, it only makes sense. When they play that new G's, all the dope boys go crazy. Now watch the dope boys go crazy. My collar, then I swing my chain. If you catch me in the club, dripping, doing my thing. Hey, play that new G's.
What's going on, Run Up? Thanks for being here, man. Big Tools.
That knock right here. You fuck around, don't have the right speakers in your system, it should be sounding like this. Big things, big chains, ain't shit chains. Get the rain in the 4.6 range. Shit, man. Switch lanes every time I hit the switch lanes. Big flip, big cane. It's that knock right here. You fuck around. It's that knock right here. You fuck around. That it's that knock right here. You fuck around, don't have the right speakers in your system, it should be sounding like this. Big things, big chains, ain't shit chains. Get the rain in the 4.6 range. Shit, man. Switch lanes every time I hit the switch lanes. Bitch, flip, big.
That bounce, fella, no doubt. This that bounce, fella. This that bounce, fella. This that bounce, fella. This that bounce, fella. No doubt. My man Coptic. This is an interlude beat, man, but I had to chop on this shit. Word. You know who I am? You shine like disco lights. Blow the fuse on the cordless mic, man.
No doubt, baby.
Putting a little soul in here.
And we won't stop.
No one has to ask who be acting bad. A-ball and them, they pimpin' GV all up in that ass. From Memphis 10 around the world and then back again. Make none rapping, we can see go home practicing. I flip a Benz with Lorenz and plenty Benjamins. Low key, plenty ends, makes plenty friends. Baby, I got all the herbs that I need to cheat. Smoke up a pound and leave you bitch niggas in disbelief. Inhale the smoke and every word I wrote it came out dope. Not like that crack, I mean lyrical dope above tracks. Not saying I won't pull the Ruger and put hollow through ya. Have your mama on her knees screaming hallelujah. Lay it down, play a suave house, bad boy. Fat boy, ain't afraid to rap the tab boy. Matter of fact, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Something real, something you can feel.
That's right.
Straight from the suave house.
Bad
No one has to ask who be acting bad. A-ball and MJ pimpin' GV all up in that ass. From Memphis 10 around the world and then back again. Make non-rapping, we can see go home practicing. I flip a Benz with Lorenz and plenty Benjamins. Low key, plenty ends, makes plenty friends. Baby, I got all the herbs that I need to cheat. Smoke up a pound and leave you bitch niggas in disbelief. Inhale the smoke and every word I wrote it came out dope. Not like that crack, I mean lyrical dope above tracks. Not saying I won't pull the Ruger and put hollow through ya. Have your mama on her knees screaming hallelujah. Lay it down, play a suave house bad boy. Boy ain't afraid to rap the tab boy. Matter of fact, boy, it's not an act boy. The play away, keep a player making stacks, boy. Everything that I do be all about the loot. I be kicking up dust in my polo boots. Getting blowed on the road, taking smoke up my nose. I give the world to a woman, but I don't love hoes. I'm a player, baby, and don't you forget. You need to get with it. Let me hit it, split it. In the bed on the floor, hot tub, everything. Play.
Lyrically, First things first, I pop freaks all the honeys, dummies, playboy bunnies, those wanting money. Those ones I like to get Nathan, but penetration, unless it smells like sanitation. Garbage, I turn like doorknobs. Heart throb never, black and ugly as ever. However, I stay Gucci down to the socks. Rings and watch filled with rocks. And my jam knocking the Mitsubishi. Girls pee-pee when they see me. Navajo creep me in they teepee. As I lay down laws like Island Coppet. Stop it, if you think they're gonna make a profit. Don't see my ones, don't see my guns. Get it? Now tell your friends Papa hit it, then split it in two. As I flow with the Junior Mafia. I don't know what the hell's stopping ya. I'm clocking ya, Versace shade watching ya. Once you grin, I'm in, game begin. First I talk about how I dress is this, and diamond necklaces, stretch Lexuses. The sex is just immaculate. From the back I get deeper and deeper. Help you reach the climax that your man can't make. Call him, tell him you be home real late and sing the break. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Dance too long for them, baby, so cheap. And your flex so deep, your sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it.
Laying naked, want you to put this together on me.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you're wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting if you do the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent.
Are we gonna fuck each other, put the planet? Choosing our outfits so that they just handed. I'ma stick with the tequila, you're one-handed. Got me all over your face like dancing, yeah.
You got it, girl, you got it. You ain't never gonna be the no bitch.
I'm silent, boy, I'm silent. Tell me why you out here messing with these labels. They ain't bringing nothing to the table. You and me was meant to be, I know you say so. Baby, you know you got it, babe, you got it. Ooh, got it, babe, you got it.
If I hit it one time, I'm a piper. If I hit it two times, then I like her. If I fuck three times, I'm a wiper. It ain't safe for the black or the white girl. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Tell your man pipe up, pipe up. And the bands from the safe in your face when it's safe. My dance turn the shit into a nightclub. Hey, yeah, fuck with me and get some money, get some money. Hey, fuck with me and get some money, get some money. Yeah, fuck with me and get some money. Hey, yeah, fuck with G and get some money. No limit, I'm a fucking soldier. Ay, always lit, yeah, I'm never sober. It's for 3 days in a row, yo bitch coming over. Told that bitch to kick rock, she act like it's a boulder. Ay, Rory, shopping, that mean copping, always popping, hella popping. She's a bopper, homie, hopping, ain't no stopping. Album dropping, got the city on fire. Bitch lying on me like she tired. I'ma have to fuck around and call Kamaya. Oh, stirring up the pot, I'm a liar. And girl, hit it one time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her. If I fuck 3 times, I'm a wiper. It ain't safe for the black or the white girl. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Tell your man pipe up, pipe up. Hey, hands from the safe, hey, safe, hey, safe. Blame it on the, blame it on the, blame it on the, blame it on the. Got you feeling loose, blame it on the drum. Got you feeling dumb, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the alcohol. She said it's usually dope, but I know that she front. Cause shawty know what she want, but she don't want to seem like she easy. I hear you saying what you won't do, but you know we probably gon' do what you've been feeling deep inside. Girl, what you drinking? Gon' let it sink in. Here for the weekend, thinking we can see what we could be if we press fast forward. Just round and you're down, I know it. Fill another cup up, feeling on your butt. What you don't even care. I was unaware. I find you was before my bus set in. My bus set in. Blame it on the goose, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drum, got you in the song. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the vodka. Blame it on the Henny. Blame it on the blue tap, got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. And be our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you're wanting more. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. No, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Maybe I thought never we do it now. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk?
Slow it down so you can catch the flow. Screw it up, make it go extra slow. Real girls get down on the floor. On the floor, get down on the floor. Ooh, I gave you a taste, you want some more. Touchdown, on me, throw it up like a pro. I ride the beat like a bicycle. I'm icy cold. Ooh, I'm the 6'4" hoppers up in Crenshaw. The money making players up in Harlem. Don't want no problems. We gon' keep it bumpin' while the 808 is jumpin'.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime.
I'm the first girl to scream on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right, I brought all the boys to the yard. And that's right, I'm the tattooed on his arm. I'm bossy, I'm the bitch y'all love to hate. I'm the chick that brings the stick. I told Young Stunner he should switch the dates. I'm back with it, back with it, back with it, back.
I know you see me on the video.
True.
I know you heard me on the radio.
True.
But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you.
Hey yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the lethal? I'll be undressed in the bra all see-through. While you count your jewels, thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Keep it stone sets, I got my own baguettes. And I'll be doing things that you won't regret. Little Kim the queen bee, so you best take heed. Shall I proceed? Yes indeed. I'ma throw shade if I can't get paid. Blow you up to your girl like the army grenade. You can slide on my ice like the escapade. And itchy get your yaya with the marmalade. Who me? Not you. Oh yes, who's he? I even dig your man style, but I love your profile. Whisper in your ear and get you all shook up, but don't blush. Just keep this on the hush.
I know you see me on the video.
True.
I know you heard me on the radio.
True.
But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening you what your girlfriends mention. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put the rush on you. I have to let you,
I'm with the new 4G's on the G. I tap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Hey, straight up out the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget that. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I had inside of the Maybach and I was sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle funded me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goof. Either you from the y'all gang or you Subaru. Got a new Orleans bitch and then that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now. Voodoo. I put the new 4G's on the G. I tap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out in the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich. These niggas.
Master P. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford them. You got the bad, but can't afford them. Give me the beat, I ride it like a jet ski. Some of the bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and build the athletes. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me. Hop in the coupe, then I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast 6, poaching like a trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of teams. Dismantle up, I know how to handle up. Light the candle up, make you put a banner up. Toss a 50 up, make them tie the club up. Took your bitch out the game, I had to sub up. Master P. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford them. You got the bad, but can't afford it.
Pippin' neck, easy liquor, open up and eat it. Stars in the ceiling in my shit, they Tempur-Pedic. I see them niggas watching and they plotting, trying to sneak me. I can't hear the thought, can't trust the thought, they tellin' secrets. Big back, take, look back, little nigga. Catch you down bad, a nigga cry a whole river. Now on my back, I'm taking care of the whole village. Somebody got shot, what you talking about, Willis? In the lobby with a brick, with your Bobby with your bitch. I go Lawrence with the fit, in the Rari with no tent. I'm from the trench, I got the dirty money rent. We were poppin', so I popped and pray to God repent.
Two-step, two-step,
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you rent it. Wave it low to the top. Nigga, the very wrong glide. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window down, top blown live. Got the hazard on the Doom 5. You could catch me, breathe, in the new LaFerrari. And the truck behind me got arms. Yeah, longer than LeBron. Woo, woo, this beat tastes like lunch, but it's running from veneers and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, well, lemonade. I was afraid once a nigga graduate, would I be okay? So I prayed and I played. It's Rihanna, nigga. My constellation in space. Warp speed, though the spark couldn't chase. Nigga,
bath song, fighting speakers in the face. I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Count the motherfucking digits. I pull up with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, which is grinning.
generation. 59th and 5th Ave, granny house with vanilla wafers. It's the remedy to separation. Tupac of my generation. Blue pill in the fucking matrix. Red rose in the great pavement. Young black nigga trapped and he can't change it. Know he a genius, he just can't claim it. Cause they left him no platforms to explain it. He frustrated, so he get faded. But deep down inside, he know you can't fade him. How long should I stay dedicated? How long till opportunity meet preparation? I need some real nigga reparations, or I run up in your bank just for recreation. Dedication, hard work, plus patience. Some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication.
Yeah,
dedication.
My dedication. Twisted. My nigga, this is dedication. It was predicted in Revelations. Wicked visions depicted through scriptures and devastation. I'm convinced that if I spit a verse from Tupacalypse, sing a verse from the prophet who rocked on this with their respect and more. He helped the people chase their dreams and pursue them. Nothing but prayers to the family and the people that knew him. Life you feel a higher power had no reason to ruin. Plus his influence was congruent to what Jesus was doing. Man, respect it. Stay in my city though it can get hectic. We can rebuild, let's try to plan a method. Asking Will to twist the dip. I'm at the crib and I never left it. Chances I slim like an anorexic. Product of my environment, but not trying to reach an early retirement. Firing through the violence of Leviathan and get low. Help others and show love to your kinfolk. Stay courteous and try to keep people up out your window. Be nice when the young hungry new rapper walk to your limo and say please listen to my demo. That's dedication. Uplifting my people like levitation. Black owned businesses make a better nation. That's dedication.
I spent my whole life thinking out the box. Boxing homes 3-on-1, got DP, but I ain't dropped. Chirp on me, here I come. Spin around the block, they broke on me. Said I ran a stop sign, but that's a lie. I spent my whole life staring at the stage, playing Sega, daddy smoking Sherm, mama playing spades, catching favors. Grandma said I get some Jordan for my grave, that's my baby. When she died, my heart broke 100 ways. I spent my whole life trying to make it, trying to chase it. The cycle of a black man divided, trying to break it. You take a lost shit, don't cry about it, just embrace it. Minor setback for major comeback, that's my favorite. My nigga L said you do it on with nip. Kate, I hear better grip. I said he a man first, you hear the words out of slips about flourishing from the streets to black businesses. Level 4 y'all living, giving to false imprisonment. Listen close, my nigga, it's bigger than deuces and foes, my nigga. Since elementary, we close, my nigga, get straight like that. I'll give you the game, go back to the turf and give it right back. For generations, we been dealt bad hands for bad plans. Prove your dedication by hopping out grand amps. I'm at the premiere, politicking with Top Nip and Snoop. Damn, Pac watching the way we groove. Dedication, dedication.
Tupac, foreign. Shorty wanna scoop me. Told her I'ma bring her to the trap. No movies. She already know she a snack. No Scooby. Attached to the back of her pants. No Subies. She keep tense just in case she wanna do me. Smack that ass in the back seat. Now sue me. Haters mad cause my baby bad like Stewie. Nice soft booty, a cutie with yours truly. A true beauty. We vibe and switch spots. She call me when she wanna slide like flip flops. Got smoke trash. I got more gas than pit stops. Long as Shorty present, I'ma feel like a gift shop. Shorty poison like BBD. Flying out the country, just me and she. Passport got more stamps than EBT. When my shorty wanna slide, just leave me be. Facts.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat. Just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey. Baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, go, baby, go, baby,
I
go,
do my
baby, go.
hair toss, check my nails. Baby, feeling? Head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Woo, tired of the bullshit. Gone dust your shoulders off. Keep it moving, yes, Lord. Trying to get some new shit in there. Swimwear, going to the pool shit. Come now, come dry your eyes. You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, let me simplify. We don't love you anymore. Just walk your fine ass out the door. I do my head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Baby, how you feeling? Woo, girl, need to kick off your shoes. Gotta take a deep breath, time to focus on you. All the big fights, long nights that you've been through. I got a bottle of tequila I've been saving for you. Boss up and change your life. You can have it all, no sacrifice. I know we did you wrong, we can make it right. So go and let it all hang out tonight. Cause we don't love you anymore. So walk your fine ass out the door. And do your head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? And we gon' be on head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you, baby, how you, baby, how you, baby?
Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to mom. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you never heard? I left him like a rapper's dead and bird. A verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't matter, it's like $2,000 every word. I'm on the purge, I beat the church. I killed some niggas and I walked away from it. Then I observed just how you come and told a nigga that they got away from me. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swam. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram. I'm the man. At the London. If you feel time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just say yeah, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Church talk, I can make a brick walk. Up north, down south, pancake the ritual. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I grab my ward. Fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a rented compound. I supply the sugar and bread. I got a main and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in the land, so she gon' ride. I see the pain and y'all the light bright. I'm at the London with some big thighs. No fries, cheese steaks with the fish side. Did your mama tell you we something on 5-star trucking road? I've been on the road like a pair of sandals and something goes. Yeah, I can charge you like a Dodge and it demon. Got your bride in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time
see you acting all the housewives pulling up. I got a lot of toys. 720S broken Fallout Boy. You was talking shit in the beginning. Back when I was feeling unforgiving. I know I pissed you off to see me winning. See the ink glue in my mouth and I be grinning. Yeah. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. 100 deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me. If your grandma, my brother, they know me. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. Everywhere I go, catch me on the block like a Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow. Trunk in the front like the shit Dumbo.
DJ V Lee. What the sound? We talking about the sound, V?
Turn the kitchen counter to a strip club. Me and Drake came for the hood. When I got guap, all of y'all disappeared. Before I dropped Sony, none of y'all really cared. Now they always say congratulations to the kid. And this is not a 40, but
yeah, y'all tap in. Shit, if you want to hear something, let us know. Send it to us. Give us some feedback. We're always trying to get better. I haven't DJed in 2 years, so shit, let me know so I can know. You heard me?
Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow. 100 bands in my pocket, it's on me.
Let us know how it sounds.
Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's on me, it's on me, it's on me, it's on me.
She got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you, you do. You do.
She used to work at King of Diamonds on a Monday. Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should've seen her. The way she did it, nobody could do it cleaner. I seen her in a suit for my birthday. And I can tell you the reason these niggas thirsty. La mama getting it in on the worst day. La mama getting it in, she fit the school and the gym into a work day. I'm sprung, she got me doing the dishes. Hell a nigga down when the clip was to an extension. You so bad, yeah, you so vicious. I'm so glad that you not his chick. She wanted a nigga, ain't got the right one. I wanted a back, she looking like fun. Pull up on me, baby, and spend the night. They saying I'm sprung, they right.
I can't let you go without me.
Shawty got me. Ain't none of mama tryna lock me. We can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me.
I can't let you go without me.
Shawty got me. Ain't none of mama tryna lock me. We can't be nobody if it's not me. I'm in the same spot that you got me. You sprung me, baby, I sprung you too. Yeah, I got me, baby, I'm a handle. I like a busted, baby, I'm a bust you. I'm sprung in this focus.
Really even start. I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cage. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money, I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a watch. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. I'm tired so I'm always good where I'm at. Go to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the
True legend, they praising me like a cross. Represent the West when I speak it, it's for the South. You same clue, but I'm running the nigga mouth. Every time they know me, I'm praising, same up my house. Moving through my day, got me missing my brother Lil. Lamborghini got me walking it like a crib. Way I'm from street to nasties, get your clip. Shooters about that money, they raising it off the hip. That was worth the tip, the bar, and we where you dip. 10 toes down, true side, and I couldn't slip. All about that money, hustle like I was tipped. Winning, got that band, orchestrated the whip.
If I never say look at me, I go sing you back a hill. Tell you know we rockin' man, him bad no hell. Run away me have money, fire bomb shell. Make you hook like so and it's in you go a hell. Kill Satan, no we kill Jezebel. Tell you this a DJ man, it's bad no hell, yes. In on the prime.
track off a show. I like it when you touch the floor. Call me for not like go. Call my phone when you horny. Hey mama, see the hay, mama, see the hay. Drip too hard, don't drown on this wave. She told me the handcuff will give her no escape. Bad little hyena, behave. Red lipstick, black outline on it. You be leading clues when we get in your on the real. Who got real damn motion? I want me a Wilhelmina to bust it open. My go loco, Maria, Maria. Slide on with the fofo, yeah. Slide, my so loco, she bust that like a lolo.
This goes out to my Brooklyn crew, representing on the freaky bitches. Fuck 'em all day, fuck 'em all night. We don't run these hoes. I go on and on and on and don't take 'em to the crib unless they boning. Easy, call 'em on the phone and platinum Chanel cologne and I stay dressed to impress. Spark these bitches' interest. Sex is all I expect as they watch TV in the Lex. They know. 4:15, left the club tipsy. Say no more, except how I'm getting home tomorrow. Caesar drop you off when he sees P.O. Back in my mind, I hope she swallow. Man, she spilled the drink on my cream wallows. Reach the gate, hungry just ate. Rippin', she got the beat to work by 8. This must mean she ain't trying to wait. Conversate, sex on the first date. I stay, you know what you do to me. She starts off, but I don't usually. Then I whipped it out, rubber no doubt. Step out, show me what you all about. Fingers in your mouth, open up your blouse, pull your jeans straight down south. Blew that back out in the parking lot. Buy a Cherokee and a green drop top, and I don't stop until I squirt. Jeans, skirt, butt naked, it all works. I remember we went to Tennessee, then we came home. Mad messages was on my phone. Bitch named Simone, screaming, she fiending for the theming. Being the man that I am, took her to her condo, pronto, half Indian, I called the Tonto. Roll a corn in the dark Monto. You puff, I got low, and off to the bedroom we go. Sex was drama, head was trauma, ripped pajamas, I'ma stay till tomorrow. Satisfying all my needs twice, with some whipped cream, handcuffs, and ice. The bitch is nice, word is born, can't wait to put my niggas on. What? All you bitches wanna fuck with me, Freaking you bitches like Joe to see, If I was dead broke, you wouldn't notice me, So I stick dick how it's supposed to be,
Yo, what's going on? I want to thank everybody for checking in. This is Saturday Sound Check. DJ Shug, DJ Petey. Every Saturday at 1 o'clock right here. You can check in with us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. If you want to see this again, you can log into DJ Shug on YouTube. All of the episodes is up there. I want to thank everybody for checking in. Saturday Sound Check, DJ Shug, DJ Petey, The Replacement Killers, and we out.